Stonebwoy finally was share Rick Ross United States and na video be about bontia and pay and as it circulating on the internet. Stonebwoy and Rick Ross. So many footages has come out. It is confirmed. It's a Stonebwoy right now. I'm say music videos known as shoot because Stonebwoy said it himself. Say his music with Rick Ross has been done. Oma finalize BBA akase ebeba. Now Stonebwoy is releasing a torture EP, an EP awadeba this year, and he said say his song with Rick Ross is going to be on that EP. Now here is the video circulating on the internet. Stonebwoy and Rick Ross doing their thing. There are so many footages about Bontain. Now let me take you back. Rick Ross and his manager made a video and they were saying that they are coming to do a project in Africa and including Stonebwoy, Diamond Platinums, and a lot more names in Africa.
One, we want to do a project in Africa with African artists, and not just African artists. Let them know, Brett. We want to incorporate artists from where? Stonebwoy,
Yemi, Diamond Platinum, Chaco, we got you all.
And then people were saying, no. Rick Ross is trying to get into the African market with this Belair brand and all kind of that, so it is fanfooling. Emma, where is the collaboration? Because Rick Ross Obeninam Nigeria and so young who say Stonebwoy so this was a thing and I expected okay, why is it that your name has been mentioned but you won't share? And today we wake up and then we saw so many footages of Stonebwoy and Rick Ross spreading on the internet. And so after that he also made a video call with Stonebwoy, and then Stonebwoy posted the video and will say their song and it will be out very soon, and this is the video too.
Definitely DJ Breezy is one of my boys. He's done some magic as well.
Breezy.
When it comes to production.
Breezy.
Gazi as well.
Gazi, what
Master Gazi doing crazy. So we're gonna put together all these boys. We're gonna make sure whenever we get the opportunity to sit in a place, we bring all these brothers, to Florida and make sure we stem it out properly. See?
I'm excited. I can't wait. I got another question for you. Just when I think of the club, last time I was out that way, the fashion, the way the pants was, the gear, the nightlife. How involved when we talk about the nightlife? Okay, if we go out to the hottest club, what's the hottest club right now in Ghana?
Right now, the hottest club has got to be Ace.
Ace, what it do? Ricky Rose can't wait to come out there. Okay, Ace.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Pablo and Ace. But definitely, we've had nightlife being held down by some of the creme de la creme, which will be Twist, as well has been holding it down, from time. And Onyx as well, been holding it down from time. So I think these are my favorite spots, and we have some beach fronts as well that you can go to, which will be, sometimes you have Alora, you have Polo Beach Club, Ghana parties from December.
And aside that, Stonebwoy also went on TikTok live where he was explaining himself that no, his song with Rick Ross is done. I can say you'll be releasing.
When are you releasing you and Rick Ross feature and that of Jordan Sparks? Dagaduma Utonyo, Jordan Sparks is out already. It's called No Cry. She released it on she released it on the album. Is on. You can go check it out. It's called No Cry. It's been out. The Rick Ross song is done. Those who are very close to me have heard it a few times, and it's on a very special project. And so far as I'm concerned, we are done with paperworks, and there are a lot of heavyweights involved in terms of behind the scenes. Not only the heavyweight artists like myself, Rick, and that. So it's gonna come out. It's a big promise.
Now he has an EP coming up this year. I want to need the Torture EP. Stonebwoy has been posting a lot on Facebook, and he's trying to create an attention and all kind of that, and that is his way of promoting his EP or the Bible thing. Called Jamaica, people are bashing him, saying he didn't say it well, and then was not tweeting something on the internet, Facebook. They also on one because personally he is coming to post more on Facebook now, or they are catching attention. So they are EP or the Bible mountain what need the torture EP, it can create a lot of attention. So when the EP comes out, people are going to enjoy and love it. And so these are the footages of Stonebwoy and Rick Ross spreading on the internet, going viral a lot more. And right now, Beam natives have a point to stand on and when they are doing any argument, because people were saying that Rick Ross is fanfooling Stonebwoy, Rick Ross is fanfooling Stonebwoy. Even when Stonebwoy came out to say a song with Rick Ross is done, so where is the proof? Where is the proof? Now here is the proof. And then Stonebwoy is in Miami chilling with Rick Ross. So people who were saying, so no, he's a travel and tour artist, he's a travel, you go beyond the curtains, or backstage, he doesn't get the attention he needs. Like the thing is not reflecting. According to Gutu, it doesn't reflect with his numbers. I think the thing is time. So when the time comes, all the good works and appreciation is done, and this is where it has started. So this is a video trending on the internet, and we don't have to let it slide by. Also, the best some I Karama Studios. If this is your first time, click on the subscribe to this platform for more updates and more news that is trending on the internet. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and I'm finally out.